So for this question, we need to work out 1 3/4 multiplied by 1 1/3. We need to give our answer as a mixed number. So a mixed number is like these numbers here. These are mixed numbers because we've got a whole part and then a fractional part. So you can sort of see why they're called mixed, because they're a mix of a whole part and a fractional part. What we're first going to do to make it easier for us to work with this is we're actually going to convert these into top-heavy fractions. So to do that, what you do is you multiply this number here by this bottom number here, the denominator, and add the numerator. What we're going to do is we're going to do 1 multiplied by 4. We're going to add 3. That's going to be the top of our fraction. And on the bottom, all you do is just take across the denominator from here. So if you work that out, we got 1 times 4, which is 4 plus 3, so that's 7. So this top-heavy fraction is 7 over 4. And it's called top-heavy because you see this top number, the numerator, is larger than the bottom number, the denominator. Okay, the same for the next one. We got 1 1/3. So the process is we times these two numbers and add this one and put that as a numerator. So 1 times 3 plus 1 all over. Just move across this number. So we've got 3. And that equals, so we've got 3 plus 1, which is 4 over 3. Cool. So these are a little bit easier to work with now. So what our product is now that we're trying to work out, we got 7 over 4. And we're multiplying that by 4 over 3. And when you're multiplying, you just got to multiply the top and bottom numbers together, multiply the numerators and denominators together. So it's just going to be 7 multiplied by 4 on the top, and 4 multiplied by 3 on the bottom. So it'll be 28 over 12. Okay, we've got our answer. However, remember it says we need to give our answer as a mixed number. Currently it's a top-heavy fraction. So to do that, what we're going to do is I'm going to take our fraction here. We want to see how many times this number goes into the top one. So essentially divide 28 by 12. And 2 full times, we can get 12 in here twice. Because we've got 12, so it goes in once. If we take 12 in again, we get to 24. Then we can't take 12 in again, because that brings us up to 36. And 36 would be more than 28. So within 28, we can fit 2 12s. So that's why I put that. And then what have we got left over? Well, if we fit 2 12s in, that will take us to 24. And then we've got 4 left to take us to 28. So then we put what we got left over here. So we got 4 left out of, let me just copy over this number. So 12. Okay, we're almost there, but we can simplify this bit down a bit more. So we've still got our 2, but we've got a common factor in the numerator and denominator. So we can simplify the fraction. I can divide the top by 4, so left with 1, and the bottom by 4. So we're left with 3. So our final answer in mixed number form is 2 1/3. So we get our first mark up here for successfully working out one of these. We get a second mark for carrying out the product of the numbers. And the third and final mark for correctly then converting this number into our mixed number as they wanted.